arriving at Hong Kong International Airport. Welcome to Hong Kong for a
Where are you, Crystal?
Hong Kong.
Hey guys, so we're here in Hong Kong. Touchdown Hong Kong! So I think one of our baggage or checked-in baggage is lost. At yun ay ang stroller ni Christoph. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay here. And ang status niya ay all bags arrived. Pero wala pa rin yung stroller. Oh! Hindi naman pala nawala. Hindi lang pala sinasama talaga sa... So guys, i-take it back. Hindi naman pala kasi siya talaga kasama sa dito. Hindi siya dyan kasama. Sa ganito siya. Oh! Christoph, kanina kabado na. In particular talaga na pang luggage lang to. Yeah. So, hinahatid pala yun. So, we're going to look for an ATM machine now. Next is octopus card. Then, baka kumain muna kami dito sa airport or bahala na.
Okay, withdraw muna ang gastos dahil wala kaming Hong Kong dollars na pinapalit from Philippines.
Hanggang yata yan.
Very sleepy.
Ay, hungry. Hungry na.
So, we're done checking in our luggages. So, we're going out to have some lunch since we're very hungry. And eto na. So, palabas na kami, guys. Okay, so we are walking. We're going to McDo because we want to taste the food here.
Punta ng Hong Kong para mag-McDo.
The McDo here in Hong Kong. We arrive at your destination. So we're in McDo.
Bungi. Went to Hong Kong for McDo is like.
Okay, so here's our order.
Let's try the chicken. Ito yung honey barbecue. This is mine. This is yours. Ito your flavor. If you take orange pala.
BRB.
One thing I hate here in Hong Kong is that amoy sigarilyo everywhere. Almost everywhere, amoy yosi. So we're going back to our hotel because pinatry na namin kung ready na ba yung room namin. Na rin kami kumain. So sana naman ready na yung room namin para makapagpahinga rin muna kami bago kami magliwaliw here. Yung napag-desisyonan namin kung saan kami magliliwaliw ngayong first night namin. Makatay lang kami ng bus. Namin bus ay CMB 401. Bababa kami ng Taiwo House Station and then sasakay tayo ulit ng bus, diba? Yeah. Then after nun, mag-MTR naman. Yeah. So guys, just to share, naligaw kami na naman. Mali kami ng sakyang bus. tuwing kahit anong bansa na napupuntahan namin, naliligaw talaga kami lagi. Buti na lang, nung katabi ni Kurt dun sa bus kanina, mabait na local, tsaka marunong mag-English. So yun, explain na sa amin. Napunta kami sa, saan tayo napunta? Napunta kami ng Shekiam Kwaichu. Now, mag-aantay kami ulit ng bus. And this time, I hope, this time I hope tama na. Ang sasakyanan natin ay 25A o 25A? 25A naman. Okay? We finally found a place. And guys, ngayon na lang ako ulit na kami. Ganito klaseng coke. It's important.